Depending on your company's, customers, or manufacturer's standards, you may need to export your sheet metal drawings into one or more of the other common file types, such as DXF or DWG. This has always been a pretty simple process. However, you would have to manually edit the drawing files if you wanted to add some of the exported entities to different layers. SOLIDWORKS now makes it easy to export your bounding box and bendline directions to a specific layer. To start the process, right-click on the Flat Pattern feature and select Export to DXF DWG. Note that this is just the regular Save As dialog box, so this method of right-clicking on the flat pattern is just a shortcut, as opposed to going to the File Save As drop-down. Just give the drawing a name and select the file type you wish to export. Next, click Options, and be sure to enable Custom Map SOLIDWORKS to DXF DWG. This will bring up the mapping dialog box after you select the entities to export. You can also save a custom map file with the layers, colors, and line types already defined, and you can browse for it here. But since we're creating this for the first time, I'll click OK and save. This brings up the DXF DWG Output Property Manager. With sheet metal selected, I'll choose the entities to export: geometry, bend lines, and the bounding box. If your origin and coordinate system are not properly defined for a 2D drawing, you can properly align them using these selection boxes here. Click the green check when you're done, and the mapping dialog box appears. There are two main sections to this window. On the left side, you define the layers that will be added to the drawing file, and on the right side, you can select what entities will be added to those layers. I'll create 3 additional layers. One for the bounding box, bend lines going up, and bend lines going down. I can also define a color and line style for each. Now, under Map Entities, select the layer from the drop-down and then click in the Entities box to choose the corresponding entity to place in that layer. If you want certain colors in SOLIDWORKS to change in your drawing, you can use the Map Colors option. Simply click in the box and select the color to change, then the replacement. Before clicking OK to export your drawing, you can use the Save Map File option. This can be a time saver since you only need to define the layers and mapped entities once, and can use it as a template for all your sheet metal components. Just click the button, give it a name, and click OK. Finally, just click OK and you'll see a preview of your drawing. If there are extra entities, you can click on them and select Remove Entities. When everything looks good, click Save, and your drawing will be created.